Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics for an exam, the only way to truly succeed. We'll cover a proven method that focuses on deep understanding and consistent practice. This approach will help you build a strong foundation, tackle complex problems with confidence, and ultimately achieve your best possible score. Get ready to transform your study habits and master physics. Active learning is crucial for physics. Don't just read, actively engage with the material. Try to solve at least 20 to 30 unique problems for each major topic, working through them completely before checking any solutions. This hands-on approach builds problem-solving skills and reinforces theoretical knowledge. Also, explaining concepts aloud to yourself or a study partner can significantly deepen your comprehension. Many students focus solely on memorizing formulas, but true mastery comes from understanding the underlying concepts. Try to derive formulas yourself. This process reveals their origins and how they apply. Connecting new ideas to what you already know creates a robust knowledge network. Visual aids like concept maps, which show relationships between ideas, can also be incredibly effective for complex topics. As your exam approaches, shift your focus to review and simulation. Take timed practice tests under exam conditions to build endurance and manage time effectively. Dedicate at least 1 hour daily to consistent review, revisiting challenging topics, and consolidating your knowledge. Pay close attention to topics that frequently appear on past exams, as these are often key areas of focus. This final push will ensure you are fully prepared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.